I'm about to review this Lagatuns brand cordless impact wrench. It's well packaged in this case, very sturdy. And inside we have the handling instructions. Now we have these sockets. We have the 19, 27 mm, 22 mm, 24 mm sockets. We also have the waist strap. Yes, that's what it is. We have the charging port to recharge the battery. This battery is adaptable to the Makita brand, so they are interchangeable. All you have to do is plug it in and lock in the battery. You have the green for 100% charge, the red for charging process while it's going on. So once the green light is on, that means the battery is 100%. Now we have the real deal, which is the impact wrench. It has the half-inch drive. It's sturdy, it's handy, and it's not too heavy. To attach the battery, just plug it in. It's very simple and straightforward. So the impact wrench has an LED light that comes on, that gives you lighting in the work area, and you have the forward and reverse switch. This is for the forward, and on the other side is the reverse, so you can push both ways depending on the direction you want to operate. Also at the top here is the torque speed, and at the back here is the charge control. So right now I'm in the process of using the impact wrench to take up the tire. So I'll loosen this. So the tire is fixed, and I'm in the process of putting it back on. So after using this brushless cordless impact wrench to change the tire, I can confidently say that the tool is good, is worth the money spent on it, and it saves time and energy. So it's a good product and it's worth the money.